I was just broke, this amazing. Soon I got some money, just talking like they made me. Chains on the reminding me of slavery. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B back in this mug with a very special video, man. Hold up. Let me get this right here. Here we go. We got the big dog here, man. Let's go ahead and do this quick unboxing. Y'all guys see the title, man. The station, the PS5 Ultra Edition. Hold up. Go ahead and get it up out there, man. PS5 Pro. We got the big dog here, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, man. Y'all know we're gonna dive deep down into it, man. This did come in today, man. Let me know if you guys are gonna cop this. Now, this does retail for, let me make sure, hold on my phone that. I believe it's like $700 and something. Hold on, let me see. I got you. Just give me a second. I got you. $699.99, man. So $700 over the basic model of the PlayStation 5, which retails for like $499. Then you got the I think it's $430 if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me double check here. Yeah, I believe it retails for like $4 something. PS5 console. Yeah, it retails for $499. So $500. Then you got the $450 for the digital edition of the PlayStation 5, and then you got the big dog here, which is $69.99, man. So let's go ahead and do this quick unboxing here, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I do got another special unboxing I do want to do for you guys, man. Y'all know they dropped the new controllers. So I want you guys to get in the comments. Let me know which controller you think I grabbed out the Chrome, like they call it the Chroma Edition controllers. Y'all let me know which color y'all think I got. But you gonna find out tomorrow, man, after I do the unboxing, man. So let's get this bad buddy out, man. A box inside of a box, man. Typical PlayStation. We love to see it, though, man. We love to see it. We love to see it, man. Should we go over some details over the box real quick? So, front of the box, y'all already see, say PS5 Pro. In the back, it got PlayStation Spectacle, super resolution, get super short images, quality. Y'all see all the details right there, man. Same old. Now, the PS5 Pro does supposed to have better graphics than the standard edition of the PS5. And you also, if I'm not mistaken, I believe you also have 2 terabytes of storage. But we're gonna talk further about should you buy the PS5 Pro or not versus the standard edition. I got a deep video I got y'all on, man. I got y'all, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But anyways, man, inside the box when we first open this mud up, we do got our power cable here. Bada boom, bada bing. Definitely need that. And they still got the traditional stands here. You guys, I don't know why. I don't know, man. I don't know what this is. Y'all let me know if y'all use these. If y'all got y'all PS5, y'all let me know if y'all use these clear joints. Me personally, I just stand my junk up. I don't use them. I don't lay it flat. But are you flat or horizontal? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Horizontal or vertical, I meant. You also have your HDMI cable here, the 4K joint. And you have your USB Type-C on both ends to charge your controller or any other accessories you may have that you want to use. Typical cables. They also included the PS5 controller. All white joint with the black right here. We done seen this 100 times, nothing special. I don't see anything different on here. You do have the small detail of the PlayStation symbols, the triangle, circle, square, X logos in the back of the controller here. Pretty typical. Can we get a light flash here? Yes, sir. Let's see, man. It ain't nothing like a brand new controller, man. Ain't nothing like it, man. Ain't nothing like a brand new controller, man. So that's the controller there. What else we have in the box? The big dog itself. Now they did remodel the box. I will say that they did remodel the box. They used to have the little flap joints or whatever. They did remodel the box, but that's not important. This is what's important right here, man. This is what everybody's been waiting on, man. You know, the manuals and stuff for those who like to read, man. You got your different languages and stuff, man. I'm good on that. You know what I'm saying? Who want to read when we know how to hook it up already? Throw that out. Throw that out. Let's get the big dog. Now, I haven't really seen no up close images of this, so this is like literally my first impressions of the PS5 Pro. I haven't watched any videos on it, man, so oh yeah. Now this all it has the digital model of this. I don't think they have a disc version of the PS5 Pro, but y'all know you can get an extended component if you do want to have a if you want to make your digital version a disc version, you know what I'm saying? So you can't get the disc drive itself. There you guys go. Boom. Let me get something in that light, man. Still got the all white on black here. They do got this new design here, which is I was gonna say it don't have like the fingerprint joints on it. Do at the end. It's kind of hard to see though. It do at the end though. Let me see if I can include some images, but it's not as fingerprint as the actual middle part of the console. But anyways, on the back of the console, see what we got new. Got your original HDMI right there. You got your LAN cable right there. You got two I think those are 3.0 joints right there, the USB joints, and of course the power. So I'm gonna be doing a comparison with the digital, because I do got the digital PS5, and we got this right here. We got the Pro version right here. So I'm gonna do a comparison, man. Have them side by side. Might do like a speed test or something, man. If y'all interested in that, let me know in the comments. Sub up if y'all want to see that. But anyways, man, this is the PS5 Pro here, man. I'm excited to hook this up and really see, is there really a major difference between this and the standard version of the PS5, man? Or is they scamming me out my $200 or what? I need to know, man. I need to know. But anyways, bro, y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below. Are you copying the PS5 Pro this holiday? Or you gonna get it for your kids? Or you getting it for yourself? Or you gonna stick with the standard PS5? Or you gonna upgrade from the basic model to the big dog? Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Appreciate the love, support. I know it's been a little minute. But I got you. You know what I'm saying? I got you. But anyway, appreciate the love, support, and I'll catch y'all next video, man. Peace.